Hello everyone, welcome to today's session, which is related to real life machine learning concepts. So, let me connect you to the real life and tell you what are the things which you can easily do using concepts of machine learning so that you can easily answer the questions like which type of the house lies in the segment, or what is the market value of this house, or is the mail spam or not spam, or is there any fraud? Will these be some of the questions you could ask a machine? But for getting an answer to this, you need some algorithm. The machine needs to train on the basis of some algorithm. But how will you decide which algorithm to choose and when? So, the best option for us is to explore all of them one by one. The first is the classification algorithm, where the categories predicted using the data. If you have some questions like is the person a male or female, or is the mail spam or not spam, then this category of question would fall under the classification algorithm. Classification is a supervised learning approach in which the computer program learns from the input given to it and then uses this learning classified new observation. Some examples of classification problems are speech recognition, handwriting recognition, biometric identification, document classification, etc. So, the next is anomaly detection algorithm, where you identify unusual data points. So, what is anomaly detection? Well, it's a technique that is used to identify an unusual pattern that does not confirm expected behavior, or you can say outliers. It has many applications in business like instruction detection, like identifying strange pattern in the network traffic that could signal a hack, or system health monitoring that is spotting a deadly tumor in the MRI scan, or you can even use it for fraud detection, credit card transaction, or to deal with fault detection and operating environment. So next comes is clustering algorithm. You can use this clustering algorithm to group the data based on some similar conditions. Now you can get the answer to which type of house lies in the segment, or what type of customer buys this product. Clustering is the task of dividing the population or data points into a number of groups such that the data points in the same groups is more similar to other data points in some group than those in other groups. In simple words, the aim is to segregate groups with similar traits and assign them into clusters. Now, this clustering is a task of dividing the population of data points into a number of groups such that the data points in the X group are more similar to other data points in the same group rather than those in other groups. In the other words, the aim is to segregate the group with similar traits and assign them into different clusters. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose you are the head of a rental store and you wish to understand the preference of your customer to scale up your business. So, it is possible for you to look at the detail of each customer and design a unique business strategy for each of them? Definitely not. But what you can do is to cluster all your customers into 10 different groups based on the purchasing habit, and you can use a separate strategy for customer in each of these 10 different groups, and this is what we call cluster. Next, we have a regression algorithm where the data itself is predicted. question you may ask to this type of model, like what is the market value of this house, or is it going to rain tomorrow or not? So regression is one of the most important and broadly used machine learning and statistic tools. It allows you to make detection from the data by learning the relationship between the features of data and some observed continuous value response. Regression is used in massive number of applications. You know what stock price prediction can be done using regression. Now you know about different machine learning algorithm, and how will you decide which algorithm to choose and when? So let's cover this part using a demo. So in this demo part, what we'll do is create 6 different machine learning models and pick the best model and build the confidence such that it has the most reliable accuracy. So our demo part will be using the Irish dataset. The dataset is quite very famous and is considered one of the best small project to start with. You can consider this as Hello World dataset for machine learning. So this dataset consists of 150 observation of iris flowers. These are 4 columns of measurement of flowers in centimeters. The 5th column being the species of the flower observed. All the observed flower belong to one of the 3 species of iris dataset, and Iris virginica and Iris versicolor. Well, this is a good project because it is so well understood. The attributes and numeric, so you have to figure out how to load and handle the data. It is a classification problem, thereby enable you to practice with perhaps an easier type of supervised learning algorithm. It has only 4 attributes and 150 rows, meaning it is very small and can easily fit into the memory, and even all of the numeric attributes are in the same unit and the same scale, meaning we do not require any special scaling or transformation to get started. So this is all about the different types of algorithm. In the next session, we'll work on the coding part. Thank you so much everyone.